Alright, today we're going to be dealing with an exponential equation. How to solve an equation that has the power as the unknown. So when you have this kind of equation, what do? Now, you look at this part, we have 3 raised to the power x. If you look at this part, you can derive your 3 raised to the power x from this. Let's do just that. This will become 3 raised to the power x in bracket everything raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 minus 4 bracket 3 raised to the power x plus 1 equals 0. Alright, this part is 3. 3 raised to the power 1 is 3. And we bring it right here and becomes 3 into 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 minus 4 into 3 raised to the power x plus 1 equals 0. Now, this part and this part are now the same. That is exactly our aim, to make this part to be the same. So, let's replace it with another unknown. So, let y be equal to 3 raised to the power x. Meaning, anywhere I have 3 raised to the power x, I'll put y. So, let's do that right here. We have 3y raised to the power 2. This is 3, this is my y, this is my 2, minus 4. Then here I'm going to have y plus 1 equals 0. So let's factorize this. Let's take our time to factorize. So we have 3y squared minus 3y minus y plus 1 equals 0. Here we have 3y to be common. We factorize that out. We have y minus 1 left. So right here, 1 is common here. We have y minus 1 left. If you have a problem with your factorization, you can check my video on factorization and learn it. So right here we have y minus 1 and 3y minus 1 equals 0. So solving this part, you have y minus 1 equals 0 or 3y minus 1 equals 0. So that my y is now equal to 1 or y is now equal to 1 over 3. Alright, so what is the next step here? We replace this with the original number it was. So whenever we have y now, we're going to be writing 3 raised to the power x. So I have 3 raised to the power x being equal to 1, or 3 raised to the power x being equal to 1 over 3. And this can be written as 3 raised to the power x equals 3 raised to the power 0. You know, this is giving us a clue that there's something I can raise to a power to get 1, because this is an equality sign. So, and that is 3 raised to the power 0. If this was 2, I write 2 raised to the power 0. If it was 5, I write 5 raised to the power 0, so that they can be the same thing. Or 3 raised to the power x equals, right here, if you're writing it as indices, it will just be 3 raised to the power negative 1. And you know this 3 raised to the power negative 1 is the same thing as 1 over 3. If you still have any problem with your indices, check my video on indices and learn that. So right here, indices let us know that when these are the same, the powers too are the same. So we have x equals 0 or x equals minus 1. Since they are the same here, these powers too will be the same. And that's exactly how to solve it. Take your time, go over the solution. You know, you can play the video over and over, or you can just have a screenshot of this and check it till you master it.